Would you like to earn cryptocurrency right now? Just imagine what it would be like to earn cryptocurrency every single day just by using your cell phone or your computer. Imagine what it can do without all the hassles of using complicated mining rigs, which can be extremely expensive and also energy inefficient. Imagine the freedom that you can get by knowing that you're going to make money every single day for free. Did you know you can earn cryptocurrency for free by using YouTube? Yes, you can, and I'll show you how by using YouTube and this next website we've not discussed yet.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
All right, so here's the site in question, I guess you can say, the site that we want to review on how to make some cryptocurrency using YouTube videos. So basically what you want to do, and this is not an instructional site on how to do that. There is instructions on here which get into a lot more depth regarding that. I am not an expert on how to do this. I just followed the directions, and it was pretty self-explanatory, and actually it was pretty easy to do. But I'm just showing you a brief overview of what you can do with YouTube and Odysee and make some money, especially if you're not monetized on YouTube. So here is the platform, Odysee. So it's very similar to YouTube. It's basically piggying back off of people's channels on YouTube that have connected to Odysee. Here you have the people that I'm following, lists of different, playlists, big time YouTubers or Odysseers, I guess you would say. Here you have the most popular, the big hits. You have gaming, science, technology, news and politics, financials, everything under the sun, movies, and Wild West. But what I would want to show you here is this, and this is social proof. Bob, you gotta show that social proof. Say that 10 times fast. Okay, so over here, you click that, and it'll show your transactions. Okay, so today I watched a video and I got 0.6 LBC. And yesterday, when you upload a video on YouTube and you have connected Odysee to it, you can make some more LBC. Yeah, okay, it's not a whole lot, understandably so. But hey, it's a lot better than a goose egg if you're not monetized on YouTube. So people can also give you some money right here. They give you a tip. All right. So here's 5 benefits of network marketing, and I got that much. So it does add up over time, and sometimes you get a daily watch reward of 1.25 LBC, and what you can do is also stake other people, which is helpful. So this person gave me a tip. They probably want a tip in return. So I don't know who this person was, unfortunately. It would be nice to see that, but that's all right. And so as you go throughout the platform, the next thing on how to make some cryptocurrency doing this is to move up in your levels. So you have to watch content and earn more credits for each level unlocked. 1,000 views now required for level 5. And it starts off very slow over here, or excuse me, very low on this 1,000 views. So like 100 views, I think it's where it starts, and you can get some more LBC. Okay, but only up to 10 views per day count, so they keep a limit on that. And then you can invite people. So I'm inviting you, the viewer. I'm inviting you to this, and my link is down below in the description. Go ahead and click on that, and get started on this platform and start making some money now. It's simple, and you hardly have to do anything. You don't need to spend a whole lot of time on this. It's very fast, especially when you do a daily watch reward. You can get anywhere from 0.2 all the way up to 100 library credits. So, and then you have another reward, gain a following. To earn this reward, get 5 validated followers needed for level 2, and you can go ahead and click that. And here are my rewards. Now, I haven't invited anybody yet to this platform using my link. This is the first time. And the reason is I wanted to get to know this platform a lot more before I was able, before I felt comfortable promoting it. But now I am. But you can see that, all these daily watch rewards add up. Guys, it adds up right over here. And so anyway, so I'm just giving you a brief overview of how this works. It's so easy, guys. Get into this now and start making some money, and help out other people who are on here by giving them a tip like these people are doing to me. So I hope you got some value out of this, and we will see you in the next video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel for more tips and hints on how to make some money online, and we'll see you in the next video.